In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play 1080 by 1080 in Rainbow Six Siege. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. 1080 by 1080 is a very popular one-to-one resolution used in many competitive games like Counter-Strike, Valorant, and of course Rainbow Six Siege. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to set up this resolution because it isn't going to be a default option for most people. So this is going to depend if you have an NVIDIA or AMD dedicated GPU. If you know, then you can skip ahead, but if you still have to check, right-click Windows icon, go into Device Manager, and under Display Adapters, you will be able to see it listed here. So if you have AMD, I'm gonna show this second. I just want to get NVIDIA out of the way because I don't have an NVIDIA GPU, so I have to show you screenshots. But if you have an NVIDIA GPU, right-click the desktop, go into the NVIDIA control panel, and under the display category, choose Change Resolution. Now, you have to create a custom resolution, so choose Customize below the main resolutions here, and you can set up the horizontal pixels and the vertical pixels. Of course, this should be 1080 by 1080. The rest you can leave on default. Just make sure that you check the refresh rate. Set this to the highest amount possible on the one that you are comfortable with. Most likely it will be within the range of 120 Hz, 144 Hz, 165, and as long as you set it up properly, you will be able to test and then save this resolution. Afterwards, the next thing to check will be under Adjust Desktop Size and Position. So if you want to have black bars, make sure that you use no scaling. If you want it to be stretched, you can do full screen. And as long as you choose between black bars or stretched, you will be able to see this in game. Now, like I said before, if you have an AMD GPU instead, right-click the Windows desktop, go into AMD Software Adrenaline Edition, and in here, click the Settings, and then Display. Now, you will find the option to make custom resolutions over here at the right side of the screen. So, click on Create New, set it up as 1080 by 1080, change the refresh rate to the highest one available, and then change it here on Timing Display. As long as you change these settings, it will be created like this, and when you open any sort of game, including Rainbow Six Siege, it will become available as an option within the resolutions. Sadly, I don't have Rainbow Six Siege installed at the moment, but if you go over to the display settings and choose resolution, you will find 1080 by 1080 available. If you don't see it right away, change the display mode and it should appear among the options. I hope I was able to help you on how to play 1080 by 1080 Rainbow Six Siege. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.